Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me. We have our big cup of coffee again this morning. I am going to show you a couple of entries that we got in the mail last night. This one is from, let me get my eyes on so I can see. This one is from Janet White, and it's Knoxville, Tennessee, looks like. And look at this. This is ingenious. She put let me get this out this morning. She mailed this in a file folder. She made a mailer out of a file folder. Is that not smart? And she put anniversary there. So let's see if I can pull this out. I want to be real careful. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just made sure that I got everything out of there. Look at this. Oh my goodness, the teal. That ribbon is beautiful. And I can tell it's a vintage because, oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And look, she's got stick pins. There's a stick pin in there. There is a little music note. See if you can see that. It's black, so I don't know. There, maybe you can see a little bit of it. Oh my goodness. And this is a huge doily that she has dyed, and I'm not sure, it looks like coffee dyed, maybe could be tea dyed. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty, and I would have never thought about doing that. Okay, make sure I got everything out of there. Yeah, so that's a nice little envelope. And then she put on here, this says fly. Oh, and my goodness, she cut that out of material. That is cut out of, looks like denim. Look at that. I know you can't tell that it's a denim, but I think that's a denim, and then looks like she just colored over the top of it to make it darker. Oh, wow. And that huge butterfly. Oh, and then she's got the definition for butterfly down here. How sweet. I need to find those little... I can't find my old dictionary that I was going to use. I cannot find that thing. I'm going to have to dig for it. Oh my god. Oh, and she did a ruffle, a paper ruffle. That's so cute. I love that. And then all of these little flowers she has pasted on here. Looks like fussy cut and then glued on. Now it's time to fly to new places, time to look for others like yourself, bright flyers in the sun, fly beautiful, oh, fly butterfly, goodbye. Oh my goodness. How sweet. I don't know if this is a Edith Holden page or if it's like a children's, oh, I don't know, but it's beautiful. I love it. And then she's got a tag in here. And it's tied with some, oh, what is that called? My mind's just blank, but you guys know what that's called. She's got some lace down here. She's cut out a little hummingbird and put it there. How cute. Spreading your wings wide, you let go and fly higher and higher. You drift above the flowers, light and fragile like them. You touch nothing but sky, flying far above the ground. Janet White. Oh my goodness, Janet. And looks like you put, in order to be able to write here, you used a little bit of gesso, I think, and gessoed across that. Wow. That is so smart, girl. I love that. I love it. And then she's got something else here. Grace. Oh, Bible markers. Blessings. I need these. I don't have but 2 Bible markers. I need these. Oh my goodness. Thank you. And let's see what her note. Okay, I think I can. Okay, it says, Miss Eve, congratulations. So blessed to join in your celebration. 47 years, wow. And Aaron is 20 years old. My youngest turns 20 in 2 weeks. For Mother's Day, I got a little mad money, which I took to Goodwill and had fun. The results of that trip is the entry I'm sending. Hope you enjoy. May God bless you and your family. Blessings, Janet White. Enclosed 2 bookmarkers, one for you and one for Aaron. How sweet. He will love this. I will let him pick out which one he wants, and he will absolutely treasure this. He sits and reads his Bible every night, and he marks the pages with little, right now he's working with little sticky notes, so he will love, love, love that. Thank you so much, Janet. That is so sweet of you and so talented. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put your name in here. All right, 18 is Janet White. All right, thank you so much, Janet. That is so sweet. I will be using every piece of that, including your file folder, in our journal. So, all right, let's look at this one. This is from T. Peoples, and it's from Oxford, North Carolina. So I have already cut the ends of the envelopes just so it wouldn't take me so long. Okay. So this one is to Aaron. It says happy birthday on the back. So I'm going to let him open that when he gets back from vacation. Oh, look at these colors together. Oh, this is so sweet. And this is one of those folding envelope things that we did. So blessed. All of these little flowers. There's a tag right here. Journaling tag. And I love your big punch for the thumb hole. That is pretty. Sweet. There's a butterfly. Oh my goodness. You open it up and look at these colors. Now, next to teal, I'm a big fan of lavender. So this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at all these tags. That is a huge one. How sweet. Oh, and look what she did. How smart. I had not noticed that on the others. What she cut out here, she used up here, so it looks like it was folded up. Smart. You guys think of things that I would never in a lifetime think of. That is so smart. How ingenious of you. And then there's another tag. Oh my word. And it says blessed right there. La fleur, I guess that's flower. Love yourself. Okay, then this one, it's got 2 tags in it. How sweet. So much journaling space. Oh, it's got 2 pockets. That's why it's got 2 tags. There's one back there. There's one up here. And then it's got, I love that little flower with that little paper clip. I want to know where you got that. I have been looking for some little sticker flowers that have little paper clips on them. I think they're so cute. All right, let's fold this back like it was. And she put a piece of lace right there. Let's see. That is so cute. This one opens up, and there's the little booklet. Love this. And then on the back, she's got a label that you could, you know, stamp something on or put your name on. Oh, love that. And then this is a card, and it has a, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, 5 if you count the heart of the little fold here. And this is one of those folded envelopes that we did. How cute. Okay, let me look at this. I think it's okay for me to read on here. She's got, hello E, I love so many of your projects and absolutely love your YouTube channel. You make me aspire to be a better crafter. I am new to paper crafting and just got started in April. Oh my goodness, girl. You are a natural. I liked your pocket folio card so much that I have enclosed it as my June entry, and I made 6 others for my niece and cousins. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to watching more of your videos. Happy anniversary, Tracy Peoples. Oh my goodness, Tracy. If you just started in April, I can only imagine what your projects are going to look like in another month. I mean, you are beyond talented, girl. This is your natural. Tracey, Tracy Peoples. All right, so we got Tracy down. Thank you so, so much, Tracy. This is absolutely gorgeous. And you have a talent for paper crafting, so my goodness. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to let Aaron open this one when he gets back. Hopefully I'll be able to get him over and he can do some opening and a little bit of talking to you guys when he gets back from vacation. That will be next week. All right, thank you guys so, so much. I really appreciate everything that you do. All of these entries are just beyond beautiful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.